Hi, and welcome to Asia DIY. I'm Asia, and this is my channel.
Bam.
Hey, welcome. This is Asia DIY, and I'm Asia. Welcome to my channel. Here we're talking about travel, life, beauty, hair care, making your own hair products, nails, and so much more. If you haven't done so already, please check out some of my content. I've already done a whole acrylic set on my nails from start to finish, added a design. Ooh. I've also uploaded videos on how to maintenance your locks, style your locks, and do a root color touch-up.
Check those out.
If you haven't already done so, please hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom down below for more of me in this.